Rockford Fosgate RNGR18-STG1 review. Clean install and confident trail sound. You head out for a ride, engine humming, tires crunching gravel, and the cab feels oddly quiet. I remember trying to play music through a portable speaker wedged in a cup holder, and it rattled more than it played. Not great. When your Ranger feels unfinished without proper audio, that frustration lingers. Ever felt that gap in your setup? Over time, that missing sound becomes a small but constant annoyance. You fumble with Bluetooth speakers, wires, and weak mounts while dust settles everywhere. The wind noise swallows your playlist. It is distracting. A friend once cut a ride short because the speaker battery died mid-trail. You want something integrated, rugged, and simple without turning your dash into a wiring project. Then the solution clicked with the Rockford Fosgate RNGR18-STG1. Don't just pick any UTV audio kit. Make sure it has true plug-and-play vehicle-specific integration so you avoid messy custom installs and loose wiring. This all-in-one dash housing replaces the factory center cup holder and comes preloaded with the PMX1 marine-grade receiver and a pair of 5.25-inch element-ready speakers. That means fewer parts, fewer headaches, and faster results. The Bluetooth connection pairs quickly. The 7-band EQ lets you tune for trail noise, and the 2.3-inch display stays readable in bright light. A contractor I know installed it before a weekend ride and nearly postponed the trip, thinking it would take hours. It was powered up in minutes. Huge relief. The rugged, weather-resistant design handles dust, vibration, and splash without drama. Plus, the built-in storage pocket and rear tray add practical space you did not expect. Small bonus. If you value clean installs and solid sound, this setup makes immediate sense. Once installed, the Rockford Fosgate RNGR18-STG1 feels like it always belonged there. The enclosure matches the dash layout, and the integrated design keeps everything tidy instead of cluttered. Crutchfield describes it as a purpose-built upgrade for specific Ranger models, and that vehicle-specific engineering shows in the fit. An off-road influencer noted the plug-and-play process avoids cutting or splicing, which saves time and preserves factory wiring. Industry analysts often highlight the all-in-one enclosure as a smart use of dash space, especially since it adds a storage pocket underneath and a rear tray. Real users consistently mention the speed of installation. One owner said it was a 5-minute project and called the sound awesome compared to stock. Another praised the clarity and crisp highs on trail rides. Personally, the balanced mid-bass stood out, especially with wind in the cab. It holds up. Now, it is fair to note the FM antenna reception can vary in remote areas, and printed instructions are not included. But for Bluetooth streaming and trail-ready durability, it covers what most riders actually use. See why so many Ranger owners refuse to ride without it now. Would this clean dash upgrade change your experience? The Rockford Fosgate RNGR18-STG1 delivers a clean, vehicle-specific audio upgrade that installs quickly and sounds confident on the trail. It replaces clutter with integration and guesswork with simplicity. Join the many Ranger owners already seeing consistent ride quality improvements through better sound. Results may vary depending on terrain and setup. If you want a rugged, plug-and-play solution that feels factory finished, click the link and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.